Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about one of the very interesting planet. A planet which is linked with your energy, your confidence level, your willpower, your courage. The name of Mars. Mars is a planet of energy. Mars is a planet of your courage, your willpower. If you have a strong Mars in your birth chart, you are very blessed man. You will earn a lot of fame, lot of name in IPS officer or in any type of government job. You may become very good, you can say policeman, you can become very good police cop or any type of army related or navy related activities if you have a Mars exalted in your birth chart. So today I am going to talk about Mars transit in Aries sign from 24th of December 10:18 am. From 24th of December 2020 to 10:18 am to 21st of Feb 2021. Mars transit in Aries in direct motion in this time, and this is one of the biggest transit in solar system because Mars transit in Aries sign, and Mars is the ruler of Aries sign. Aries sign is a fiery sign which is ruled by Mars. So those native who have Aries ascendants, Scorpio ascendants, Leo ascendants, Cancer ascendants, Sagittarius ascendants, they will get a lot of blessings. They will get a lot of blessings from good fortune. They will get a lot of blessings from Mars side, and they will rise a lot. So today my prediction is based on transit, which type of events you will feel, you will face, which type of positive energy you will feel, and which type of positive and negative events will happen with you during 24th of December to 21st of Feb 2021. You know very well guys, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign. So let's start for the Mars transit in Aries for Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. You will be top and sky high. Your ascendant's Lord transit in your first house. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, self-respect. You become very, you become very polite, and you are very good in dealings related to your work. Mars transit in Aries will bring a lot of good fortune for you. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, but your stubborn nature will create some problem at your workplace and with your family members. So don't show your stubborn nature, don't show your attitude, don't show your ego during this transit. If you don't show all these things, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations. You will earn a lot of name, fame. You will enjoy very good health. Mars transit in your first house, aspecting is on your 4th house, 7th house and 8th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to be careful about your mother health. Always give respect to your mother health. Always give respect to your mother, and always give respect to your elders at your home. Mars transit in first house. This transit is very fruitful in the terms of your professional life, but because Mars nature is something different, it's a fiery planet, and you will become very aggressive. You will become very stubborn. Your nature is changed. You are feeling uncomfort, and you become very egoistic person. So I'm telling you again and again, don't show your ego, don't show your attitude. If you want to grow during 24th of December to 21st of Feb 2021, you need to be polite and humble, and give some respect to your spouse and mother. Because Mars 7th aspect is on your 7th house, your daily income will increase, there is no doubt. Finances will be upgraded. There is a lot of good events will happen which is linked with your finance. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of good ceremonies at your home. And Mars transit in your first house, your confidence level will be sky high. You will be on another height of success. Mars is in first house, ascendant's Lord is in first house. It's one of the wonderful period if you want to start anything new related to your business. If you want to start any new business partnership, then this is a right time. This is the ultimate time, Aries. If you want to achieve something, then you must start anything new during 24th of December to 21st of Feb 2021, because Mars is in your first house, will brings a lot of good fortune for you. First house play a big role in your birth chart. First house is like a captain of your horoscope, and your ascendant lord transit in your first house, you will become very handsome, you will become very talented, people can appreciate you, people can attract from you very easily, and you enjoy great energy during this transit. Mars transit in your first house, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health, and very good moments with your family and friends. But don't show your stubborn nature, don't show your egoistic nature or attitude in front of your spouse or mother. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, Mars transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful. Some over expenditures will irritate you. Mars transit 7th lord and 12th lord transit in your 12th house. There is some error in your marriage life. Relationship with your spouse undershadow, relationship with your partners, business partner will undershadow. But Mars is in own sign. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, Mars transit in 12th house will give lot of good opportunities. You may get foreign job, you may get foreign PR or work permit, or someone may support you from foreign land. If you are importer exporter, if you have any dealing in foreign land, then Mars transit in your 12th house will make you happy. Lot of foreign transactions will make you happy. Taurus, this is a time, if you are importer exporter, must try to keep in touch with your customers, must try to keep in touch with your old clients if they are in foreign. You will definitely get big business. Mars transit in 12th house from your ascendants, there's some burden at your workplace, but you have ability to manage all these things very nicely. Mars is a planet of energy. Mars is not a ruling planet. Mars is not a beneficiary planet for Taurus for you. But Mars transit in your first house from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021 will brings lot of good gains if you are working at foreign land. If you are doing job at foreign land, you get promoted, your salary will rise. If you are importer exporter, or you are sending your products at foreign land, you will get lot of popularity, fame, lot of money from there. There is some strong chances, some sudden foreign journeys will active. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your unexpected expenditures, you are not able to manage the balance between these things. Taurus, be careful while spending your money. Try to save your money. Try to be a good talks with your spouse, because this is not very fruitful transit for you. But overall, because Mars is in Aries sign in 12th house, it will give you the average result, mixed results. So no need to worry. Just read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep. Sankat Morchan Hanuman Chalisa every night before sleep 3 times. You will definitely feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. Mars transit in your 11th house. You will get a lot of finances. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some sudden promotion will make you happy. You will get a lot of support from your seniors. You will get a lot of support from your family and elder siblings. If you are willing to do something new, then this is the right time. 11th house is a house of Upchaya house, a gain house. Materialistic gains are there in 11th house. 11th house denote your fulfillment of wishes and desires, your materialistic things, your money, your savings, your earning. So if any planet transit in 11th house, it will always give fruitful result. So Mars transit in your 11th house from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021, it will be a biggest game changer time for you. Mars may not your ruling planet, Mars may not your beneficiary planet, but you will see a lot of change in your professional life. Your money matters will be better. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Some foreign activities will make you happy. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy very good money. You will enjoy very good saving. You will enjoy multiple source of earning, because Mars transit in your 11th house. Gemini, already Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house, which is not very productive transit for you, but Mars going to give you some support. So if you want to start something new, plan everything, design everything, and must consult with your father, must consult with any expert related to that business. Then you may start any type of business during this transit from 24 December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. You will feel much blessed and relaxed because money matters will be better. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of November 2021. During this period, Mars transit in your 10th house in own sign. Unemployed people get job. You will get name, fame, prosperity, recognition. Your knowledge, ability, skill create magic in your life. Mars is in 10th house, is a ruling planet, a beneficiary planet. Kendra Lord in Kendra, transit in Kendra. Cancer, if you want to start something new, this is the right time. If you are unemployed, you are trying to find a job, you will get job. If you are already job, you may get promoted. If you are trying to start any new business, then this is the ultimate time. You will earn a lot of money because Mars is in 10th house in Kendra Sthan, in own sign. Cancer, you need to do some efforts. If you want to improve yourself, you will get name, fame, position, recognition. You will get a lot of honor from your seniors. If you are already in job, you're feeling very relaxed and very much blessed due to your good performance at your workplace. Cancer, 10th house, Mars transit in Aries sign, you will create a magic. Mars create a magic in your life in the terms of your satisfaction level will increase related to your work. You will feel a lot of comfort. You will feel a lot of enjoy at your workplace. Everyone recognize you. Everyone give a lot of respect to you. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Because Mars is in your 10th house. Your Kendra Lord, your 10th Lord is in transit in own sign in 10th house. But you need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your attitude. Don't show your stubborn nature. You will be sky high and top. You will earn a lot of money in your business. Some new opportunities will knock you. You will enjoy very good comforts. Your competitors are not able to stand in front of you because Mars is in 10th house. Guys, this period you will do something big and you will create some big events if you are trying your best. If you put your 100% efforts, you will definitely rock and sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants, 9th Lord transit in 9th house. Oh wow, what a combination. Leo, your all pending work will click from 24 December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. These January, February, beginning of the 2021 will be a biggest game changer for you. Good fortune is in your favor. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your all pending work will click and you will enjoy a lot of money. You will enjoy a lot of source of earning. Your father blessings will make your life easy. You will get inheritance from your father. Leo, this time you will be sky high and top. Your mud will turn in gold. There is a lot of religious journeys during this period. 9th house is a house of your beliefs, your trust, your father, your long distance journeys. If you want to settle in foreign land, this is the right time. If you want to interest for PR, apply for PR, or if you are trying to find any work permit or any job related to foreign, you will get job, you will get PR. But you need to do your best. Don't sit at home, do your efforts, because from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of February 2021, you will be sky high and you will steal the show. Spotlight is on you. You will become a king if you do your efforts at your workplace, because 9th Lord is in 9th house, Trikona Bhav. 9th house play a big role in every person horoscope, and especially for Leo. Mars is a very friendly planet for Leo ascendants. If you have a Mars Mahadasha, if you have a Sun Mahadasha, if you have Jupiter Mahadasha and Mars transit in your 9th house, you will feel much relaxed and better, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will become very spiritual. You are trying finding some spiritual guru. 9th houses also donate your 9th house also denote your beliefs, your trust, your moral values. You will enjoy everything. You may get something from inheritance from your father's side. Mars transit in Aries will bring a lot of good fortune for you. Your good fortune started smile for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Long distance journeys are there. You will enjoy a lot of happy moments in your family, in your friends. Leo, you need to do some efforts. You need to put your 100% best at your workplace. Don't sit at home. Do your efforts. You will definitely grow a lot. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo, no doubt Jupiter is in very promising in 2021, but Mars transit in your 8th house in own sign from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. Mars is not a beneficiary planet for your ascendants. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. Must go for blood test and urine test during this transit. Avoid eating oily food or junk food or market food. Try to be a good relationship with your elders. Don't use any bad words in the respect of your mother, in the respect of your father, in your family. But your savings will rise because Mars 7th aspect is on your 2nd house. You will very near to your family, but don't show your ego or attitude. 8th house Mars, Virgo for you, create some delay and hurdles if you have any Mars Mahadisha. Try to take care of your health and try to take care of your brother health. Mars transit is in 8th house. No doubt in Kalpurush Kundli 8th house, Mars is comfortable here, but for your ascendants, Mars is not comfortable because Mercury and Mars, they are not friends. Virgo, you need to focus on your things. Jupiter is blessed you in 5th house and it will give you lot of good things which will create a magic in your life if you do your 100% best at your workplace. Mars in 8th house, you may start something new, but this is not a right time. You may get a lot of opportunity related to foreign land, but this is not a right time. If you want to settle in foreign land, then this is a right time. Guys, you need to do your best and talk nicely with everyone. Don't show your attitude or ego in front of others. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, Mars transit in your 7th house from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Don't show your attitude. Don't show your stubborn nature. This transit will create a lot of unbalancing situation in your marital life. You may involve in any litigation. You may involve in any tension. Your daily income will rise, there is no doubt, but relationship with your spouse is under shadow. Mars transit in your 7th house, Libra for you, and aspecting is on your 1st house. You are feeling very uncomfort. You're feeling very low and uncomfort. Your energy is not very positive. You're not satisfied from your performance at workplace. Mars transit in 7th house. You will become very, you will become very creative person, but this transit is not very fruitful for you. You are trying to do your best at your workplace, but you never get success because Mars is not ruling planet for you. Mars 7th aspect is on your 1st house, will give you lot of good things, but your nature is very impulsive. Your nature become very impulsive. You get aggressive very early. You need to be careful about your health. Lower part of your stomach will be affected. You need to go for your blood test once or twice in a month during this transit. You need to be careful while talking with your wife or your loved one. There is a strong chances for breakup of your relationship. So now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants from 24th of December 2020 to 21st of February 2021. Scorpio ascendants, Mars transit in your 6th house. Your all debts will clear. You will get some unexpected money. Your finances will be excellent. Unemployed people get job. Your business will be flourish. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy very good health. If you have any health related problem in past few months, this Mars transit from 24th December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy some quality time with your family and friends. There is strong chances for long distance activities, because Mars 4th aspect is on your 9th house, 7th aspect is on your 12th house, and 8th aspect is on your first house. So there is a multiple journeys which will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money from foreign land. Some unexpected money will knock you. Lot of new opportunities will knock you, Scorpio. You should take advantage of this Mars transit in your 6th house. You will enjoy a lot of money. Good gains are there. If you want to take any loan from government side, your loan will click. If you want to buy new vehicle, then this is the right time. If you want to invest your money in stock market or real estate or plot, this is the ultimate time. Scorpio, you will feel very positive energy. Your willpower will be wonderful. And your courage, your willpower create a lot of magic in your life. Stay positive, must start meditation, must start some chanting every day morning. You will feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius, for you, Mars transit in your 5th house. You will get blessed from unexpected gains from stock market. Money matters will be far better. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good loved life. If you are in affair, your love life will turn in your marriage. You will get green signal from your in-laws. If you are investing your money in stock market or mutual fund, you will get very good returns. Mars transit in 5th house, you become very creative. You will sign new document or new contract. Sagittarius, this is the ultimate time for you. Mars 7th aspect is on your 11th house. You will get money from multiple sources of earning. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of savings. Health will be fine. Wealth will be fine. You will enjoy very good moments at your workplace. Sagittarius, you need to stay strong and do your best. Put your 100% effort at your workplace. You will get fantastic results. You will get some additional earning. Some unexpected money will make you happy and you feel very blessed and relaxed. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants for 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. Mars transit in your 4th house. You need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. Don't show your ego or attitude. Relationship with your spouse will be under shadow, but Jupiter is supporting you. Jupiter is in 1st house, aspecting is on your 7th house. Always keep smiling, keep your mouth mum in front of your spouse. Give some respect to your mother and spouse. Your relationship will be far better if you give some respect. Don't show your attitude, ego. Your workplace will be ultimate. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will feel very positive energy during this transit. Mentally, you feel very relaxed. Your seniors will be satisfied from you. You may start anything new during this transit. This is a time when your business will flourish. You may invest your money in stock market. You may invest your money in business. You will get fantastic results. Capricorn, you need to put your 100% effort and you will get fantastic results. But keep your mouth mum in front of your mother and spouse. Don't be a part of any litigation. Don't be a part of any fighting or any arguments. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Mars transit in your 3rd house. You feel much relaxed and positive. Your confidence level will be sky high and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine. Your wealth will improve. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. But you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while driving. Don't trust on anyone. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Unexpected gains are there. If you want to start something new, this is the right time. From 24th of December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021, you will be sky high and top. Due to your courage and strong willpower, you will create some magic at your workplace. Your colleagues, your seniors will be impressed from your performance. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Mars transit in your 2nd house. 2nd lord is in 2nd house. Some liquid money will make you happy. Cash flow will be ultimate. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family will support you. Your father, your mother will support you and you plan something big. this time when your good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Pisces, you are already in very good phase of your life because Jupiter Saturn is in 11th house and Mars transit in your second house. There's a strong chances for some unexpected big amount of money will knock you. Some business partnerships will knock you. People are showing our trust on you. Pisces, you should take advantage of this period. You will be top and sky high. You will achieve a lot of big goals and milestones. You need to polish yourself. Do some wonders, put your 100% efforts, you will be sky high. A big amount of money knock you. You will earn a lot of money from your business. You may get a lot of business opportunities. You may get a lot of business partners. And this is the ultimate time for you from 24th December 2020 to 21st of Feb 2021. Your status will rise. Your savings will rise. You will buy some jewelry. Guys, you need to do something because this time will never come back. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy life. Namaskar. Jai Hind.